The first participant of English speech is Muhammad Kamran. I request him to come on dais and express his views.
الحمد لله العليم الخبير السميع البصير الديان القدير والصلاة والسلام على رسوله محمد البشير والنذير أما بعد فقد قال الله تعالى في القرآن الكريم بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وفي أموالهم حق للسائل والمحروم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وآله وسلم خير الأصحاب عند الله خيرهم لصاحبه أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Mr. President, respected teachers and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As we know that today we are discussing about the Islamic concepts of human rights. So, for this, I want to take you back 14 centuries ago. At that time, the daughters were buried alive. It was a period of extreme cruelty. Killings were common. At that time, Allah Almighty blessed the last holy prophet Muhammadur Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam with mercy, to whom Quran says, وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. And he teaches, إِرْحَمُوا مَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ يَرْحَمْكُمْ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاءِ. Dear audience, it is to be understood very clearly that the basic concept of Islam in regard to the human rights is based upon equality, dignity, and respect for humankind. Every man on this earth, whether he belongs to this country or that, he is a believer or non-believer. He lives in forest or in desert, he is a white or a black, he is an Arab or non-Arab, whatever be the case, he has basic human rights because he is a human being. Dear audience, Islam is the one and only one religion in the world that respects all human rights and defines the rights of everyone. In Islam, there are rights of parents, rights of relatives, rights of orphans, poor, strangers, companions, travelers, and rights of slaves as well, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala explained in Quran in Surah An-Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 36, وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا وَبِذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينِ وَالْجَارِ ذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْجَارِ الْجُنُبِ وَالصَّاحِبِ بِالْجَنبِ وَابْنِ السَّبِيلِ وَمَا مَلَكَتْ أَيْمَانُكُمْ. And Allah says, إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَا يُحِبُّ مَنْ كَانَ مُخْتَالًا فَخُورًا. Dear audience, if we talk about the right of life in Islam, so Allah Almighty says in Quran, in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 32, من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا ومن أحياها فكأنما أحيا الناس جميعا. Islam also clarified the right to a basic standard of life, I mean economic rights. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Zariyat, chapter number 51, verse number 19, وَفِي أَمْوَالِهِمْ حَقٌّ لِلسَّائِلِ وَالْمَحْرُومِ. Dear audience, Islam has not only determined these rights, but Islam has also ordered to pay these rights completely. فَأَعْطِ كُلَّ ذِي حَقٍّ حَقَّهُ have been confirmed by Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam in Sahih Bukhari, book of Psalm, chapter number 30, hadith number 1977. Mr. President, we know the status of human rights in Islam when we compare these rights with the rights of Allah. Allah's rights can be forgiven by repentance, but human rights can only be forgiven by that person. In Tafsir Ibn Kathir rahimahullah says, Hukukul Admiyyin wa hiya la tasqutu bit-tawbah. So Mr. President, it it is our responsibility to pay these rights to all other humans. And as a Muslim and scholars of Deen Islam, it's our responsibility to preach others about these rights. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ. Thank you very much.